Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pinto beans taste like homemade. First, always rinse your canned pinto beans under cold water for about 30 seconds to remove excess sodium and any metallic taste. This simple step makes a huge difference in the final flavor and texture. Next, ensure they are thoroughly drained before moving on to the cooking process. Using a good quality pot will also help achieve that perfect, tender consistency. To build a rich flavor foundation, begin by sautéing aromatics like finely diced onion, minced garlic, and bell pepper in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are translucent and fragrant. This step creates a delicious base for your beans. For an authentic, smoky depth, consider adding a small piece of smoked ham hock or a few strips of crispy bacon. Then, stir in your favorite spices, such as 1 teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of chili powder, to enhance the overall taste. Once your aromatics and smoked meat are ready, add the rinsed and drained pinto beans to the pot. Cover them with about 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering the pot. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to taste and adjust seasonings, perhaps adding a dash of apple cider vinegar for brightness. For a truly homemade texture, mash about 1/4 of the beans against the side of the pot with a spoon or potato masher. This releases some starch, creating a wonderfully creamy consistency without making them too thick. Just before serving, stir in a handful of fresh chopped cilantro or parsley for a burst of fresh flavor and color. Your elevated pinto beans are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm alongside cornbread, rice, or as a delicious side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.